Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me, and I also want to share with you some of the updates that hubby and I did to our guest bathroom. We did some flooring and we also did some painting. Our walls was like a light green color and we changed it to a beautiful gray shade, and I really do love it. In the next clip, I'm going to share with you the color that was previously in this bathroom. And I am so excited about the color that we chose. I really do love the gray color. It just brightens up this area and makes it look really fresh. This is a shelf that we got from Hobby Lobby. It was trim and gold and we spray painted it silver, and then we changed out the faucet head in the shower, and we also changed out the lighting. This is a clip of my husband removing the lighting. We're going to put in another light fixture and you'll see that in the next clip. And I just love the lighting in this bathroom now, guys. It just changed the whole atmosphere of this family, well, not family, guest bathroom. In here are some hardware that we switched out months ago. And when you're doing updates, sometimes just simple changes can change the whole look of an area. And we're going to change the sink faucet a little bit later. But yeah, I just wanted to give you an overview of how the room was looking. This is the floor before. In the next clip, you'll see the flooring that we put in, and I love it. So with all of that out of the way, let's jump into the cleaning portion of the video. But before we do that, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. And once you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. When I'm decorating any area, I always like to start off with a clean slate. So the bathroom is nice and clean, and we're going to get into the decorating portion of this video. Here is just some of the items that I might be using in my bathroom. I'm not sure if I'm going to use everything, but I did want to share with you guys some of the decorative pieces that I might be using. I am so excited that we got this area completed for the Thanksgiving holiday. I'm not going to do too much decorating because I will be switching it out for the Christmas holiday in a week or so, but I did want to put in some fall touches to welcome my guests for the Thanksgiving holiday. If you guys are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Sharetta. I do a lot of lifestyle videos. Clean with me, shop with me, hauls, decorate with me. So I'm pretty sure you'll find something you will enjoy on this channel. And if you do enjoy the content, hit that subscribe button. And once you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss my uploads. For the next couple of days up until Thanksgiving, I will be doing some deep cleaning. I will be restocking my pantry, my linen closet, beneath my sinks in my bathroom, just to make sure my guests have everything they need when they come to visit. I am so excited to be getting together with some of my family members. I know everyone can't get together. 2020 has been one for the record books, but I am so thankful and blessed to be able to get together with some of my family members. So I'm making sure they have everything they need when they come to visit. You guys comment down below, what do you do to make sure that your guests have everything they need when they come to visit for the holidays? I love how my guest bathroom came out. Like I said, I didn't do too much. I just wanted to make it very inviting and pleasing to my guests when they come for the Thanksgiving holiday. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick overview of my guest bathroom, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, but most of all, subscribe. I would love, love, love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And as always, stay blessed. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.